Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an issue of the game Princess Peach Showtime. So the game is not working on Nintendo Switch device, and in this video we're gonna fix it. So first of all, if you have downloaded the demo version of the game, then make sure to download the full version of the game. You can easily download the full version of the game from the official website of Nintendo. Also make sure that your console has the latest system update. To check for the latest system update, first of all open system setting, then scroll down and select system, and there you will get an option of system update. Select this option to start the system update process. But for that, make sure that your device is connected with the internet. To connect your device with internet, go to system settings, go to internet, then go to internet setting and connect your device with internet. Also make sure to check for the updates of the game. To update the game software, first of all connect your device with the internet, and then from the home menu, select the icon of the game, press plus or minus button on your controller, and then select software update. If these method does not work, then try to reinstall the game or contact the customer support of Nintendo. So these were some ways to fix your issue. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit our website from the link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.